Looking for ways to maximize your garden space? You're not alone. Many garden enthusiasts face this common challenge of limited space. That's where space-saving garden designs come into play, offering practical and creative solutions. But fear not, we've got some fantastic solutions for you. First on our list is the vertical garden. This ingenious concept turns traditional gardening on its side, literally. By growing plants upwards, you maximize the use of vertical space. A vertical garden not only saves space, but also creates an eye-catching green wall. Next up, we have the hanging basket garden. This ingenious design breathes new life into your space, featuring cascading plants that draw the eye upwards. It's a beautiful way to save space while adding a touch of whimsy. Hang them high, hang them low, but always hang them beautifully. Our third space saver is the tiered planter garden. Picture a pyramid of pots, each level a platform for plants. This ascending design not only saves space, but also creates a visually striking display. Tiered planters are like a mini garden staircase, each step blooming with life. Fourth on our list is the ladder garden. Imagine multi-tiered greenery, compact and efficient, a unique solution for limited spaces. Climb your way to a greener space with a ladder garden. Coming in fifth, we have the pallet garden. This ingenious design repurposes old pallets into vertical green spaces. Pallets are not just for shipping anymore, they're for planting. Sixth on our list is the innovative gutter garden. A clever repurpose, it maximizes vertical space, providing fresh greens at arm's reach. Who knew gutters could be so green? Last but not least, we have the trellis garden. An excellent space saver, it transforms a flat garden into a vertical oasis. A trellis garden can turn your garden into a living wall of greenery. So there you have it, 7 incredible space-saving designs for your garden. From vertical gardens to trellises, each offers unique benefits, transforming small spaces into lush, green havens. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great gardening tips. Happy planting!